The DockMaster sales management model enables you to manage prospects, sales contracts and quotes for serialized units, advanced unit inquiries, purchase serialized inventory, floor planning, and maintain serialized inventory. In this session, we will focus on model maintenance, inventory, and some basic contracts. Model maintenance is where you can manage the models for various boat lines. Choose the type of item to manage. Here we have selected boat, and then specify the vendor ID and the model number. You can enter information related to the model, including a description, model year, and dimensions of the boat. Additionally, you can attach one or multiple stock photos for each model. The pricing information is included here on the Pricing tab, where you can specify a pricing formula, the main list price, and up to 5 different additional line prices with discounts. On the Cost tab, you can enter the unit cost, freight cost, prep, and rigging costs of the model. Model options are listed out on the Options tab and can list zero price options as well as those with a price associated with them. Dealer created or added accessories are listed on the Accessories tab and can be tied to service management functions when creating rigging work orders. Each model also has an area for entering in comments, tracking custom information for the model, as well as an area to associate one or many stock photos with each model. From the model, you can create a serialized unit record with that model's data. When adding an item to serialized inventory, all of the model information gets pulled into the record. You can optionally display a photo of the actual boat rather than a model photo if needed. All of the model information is displayed on the right side of the screen along with unit-specific details on the left. You can customize the description of the model as needed to reflect things such as a hard or soft top on the boat that might be specific to this unit. Additionally, the General Information tab will store the type of model such as new or floor model or a used boat, and with the status of the model such as on hand available or on order available. The receive date, serial number, hull number, and actual manufacturer date, along with color options, can be specified about this unit. On the Pricing tab, you can review the actual pricing for the unit. At the bottom, there's a grid that lists the base price, options, and accessories included for each of the price lines that have been defined. The cost of the unit is listed on the Cost tab and includes the unit cost, accessory and option costs, and pulls the estimated prep and rigging charges from the model to make up the working cost of the unit. Accessories and options are maintained on this tab and will list the pricing for each entry. I can choose to expand these views to see all items that have been added or to select more as appropriate for my boat. I can also attach work orders here for a specific work that will be completed on this unit during rigging phase prior to delivery. Engines and trailers can be packaged or bundled with a boat as well, and would be defined here under the Packages and Bundles tab. Like in the Model tab, I can store any additional comments regarding this unit under the Comments tab. If this were a used boat, I can list information about the previous owner, the locations where my boat has been sold, as well as the estimated Blue Book value of the boat in the Pre-Owned Information tab. And finally, custom information and individual unit photos can be stored on the Custom Information and Photos tabs, similar to the model configuration. To review items currently in serialized inventory, it's best to use the Inventory Query screen. This information is grouped by boats, motors, trailers, and other serialized units. I can generate a query using the Selection Criteria window to search for vendor, model, year, model type, minimum or maximum size, and several other options. Once I run the query, it returns all of the units that qualified, with color-coded statuses on the right side. I can click on column headers such as status or serial number to sort the information as needed. I can also type a partial or full word into the Find filter to further narrow down my search results. Finally, in prospect maintenance, we have the ability to manage contracts at the prospect level. Here's a case where I have an open contract and an open quote for my prospect, Denise. I can double-click on the quote to open and review the details of it. It shows me the boat, unit information, as well as accessories and options for this quote. On the Charges Summary tab, I can show my prospect the price, other charges such as tag, registration, UCC fees, miscellaneous charges, discounts, trade-in allowances, all of the different financial elements that go into the sale of a boat. Here's the Dealer Profit tab that displays a breakdown of my costs and prices. This form typically is password protected to keep it from accidentally being shown to a customer. On the Finance tab, the F&I department can work with the customer to review the monthly budget and their costs for purchasing the boat. They can easily add and subtract time in 6-month intervals using these quick click buttons. This wraps up our brief overview of a few of our sales management functions. For more information about the DockMaster sales module and other products, please visit DockMaster.com.